gaming colas to at the restaurant thingy. So do it again because I didn't finish it because I have to take a bath. It's my time to take a bath. My alarm opens. So let's go started. Okay, so yeah. Hey Villa, come on. Serve this to them. 101 table. 101 table? Yeah. Serving Mariah. Wait, what is so? Why my hand is so itchy? Bro, give me back my cup noodles. So yeah. Using my other arm, so yeah. Why this is so glitchy? Like it's not so spacious. Okay, 101 table comment, Raya. Your food is here. Bro, not you are sorbet. How about guys, if this video, if the my restaurant is kind of, you know, not spacious. Okay, that's and bro, it is so loud. Where is the yummy face? Not you. This. Oh, my bad, guys. This is actually. This shrimp is so cool. Let's go eat immediately. Bro, not this bread. Bro, what is good? Stop it! Like, it's so annoying. Bro, stop that. This is our last day, bestie. Yeah, this is our last day of our set time. But anyways, let's go to our